welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review MYSTI-BOX from Fashitude. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you, MYSTI-BOX has two different variants. First one is the jewelry one. The second one is the beauty box. I will be unboxing the jewelry one. So let's talk about that. This one is for November month. The price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees, and they have longer subscriptions as well. 3 months, 6 months, and a 12-month subscription, or you can say yearly subscription. And for November, they have some amazing offers. So if you buy 3 months, 6 months, or yearly subscription, you will get some amazing products, which I will be mentioning in the description box. Plus, if you buy something worth rupees 299, 499, or $1,000, you will get some free product, which is again super amazing. So for November, they have some amazing offers going on. I would suggest go to the website and please do check it out. So I will be mentioning the link in the description box. You can check that. And now let's quickly see what all it has. As I've told you, this is a jewelry subscription box. So in this box, you will receive beautiful and trending jewelry. So let's just quickly start. So I'll start with this beautiful neck piece here. The color is pink, and you know, pink is my favorite color. I know today I'm wearing this a bit dull color, so I'm not quite sure that this neck piece will go with that, but the neck piece is super stunning. The color is baby pink here, the tassel color, and it's oxidized silver here. So let me quickly wear it and show you the look. Wow, so you can just see it's looking really pretty. I like it. So first jewelry, and I can say this is my first favorite in the box because it's actually very pretty. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one are these stunning earrings, which I really like. But before that, I have to open this neck piece. Okay, so the second one is a beautiful pair of earrings, and these are the one. The color is combination of silver and oxidized silver and the gold here. So yes, I like it. You can wear them with anything, any Indian outfit. You can just match them because it has silver and gold. So you don't really have to worry about the combination. Let me just wear it and show you. And these are actually very lightweighted because they look quite heavy. I mean, in terms of look, but if you wear them, they are quite light on your ear. Yes, really pretty, super stunning. So yes, I love it. Very pretty earrings. Now let's move on to the next one. They are actually going with my dress. But okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful neck piece again. And this is oxidized silver with some tassel design here and some colorful beads here. Let me just wear this and show you the look. So this is the look, and this is a bit low, so I have to show you like this. So it's pretty, and the color is silver, so it's very safe, I guess, and the look is nice. So yes, overall a beautiful piece. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a very pretty pair of earrings. I really like it, very girly. The color and everything is nice. Then the best part is they are not metal earrings. This is like a leather kind of a material. Let me just wear it and show you. So these are very light on your ears, which is best part, and the color and everything, I'm liking it. And this is the look. So yes, pretty one, I like it. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is again a pair of earrings, and these are the wing one. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is the design, and the color is gold, as you can see. Let me just wear one and show you the look. I think I have something very similar, and yes, they are quite nice, simple earrings. I like it. Now I'm left with the last one, and these are actually very pretty, but you can just wear them daily, I guess. Brown and gold is the combination, and this is how they look. Let me just wear one and show you the look. So this is the look. Yes, they are pretty. So that's all what I've received in my Mystic box this time for November month in the jewelry edition. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, and if you like it, you can just go ahead and place your order. And of course, as usual, I will be attaching a lookbook in the end, so stay connected for that. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.